Hi, in this video we will see how to conduct an assessment using Prowler. Prowler is a command line tool that helps with AWS security assessment, auditing, hardening, and incident response. It follows the guidelines of the CIS Amazon Web Services Foundations benchmark 49 checks and has more than 190 additional checks. Prowler assessment. A scan with Prowler takes time depending upon the number of services enabled in your AWS account. Once the scan is complete, the report is sorted in the Prowler folder itself in a subdirectory called Output. Prowler's report can be reviewed to prioritize the findings as critical, high, medium, and low. The Prowler report follows the CIS benchmark, and accordingly, the findings are present in the report. Audit results. Prowler produces results as finding and does not show the resolutions for findings in the report. The findings in the report are categorized in four ways as informational, no action required. This includes results that are overwritten. Then pass, it is the recommended value, warning, a best practice recommendation. Fail, a security issue or invalid AWS configuration, a fix is required. If you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.